Mumbai appears to be much more conservative. Remember, the plans in Mumbai for the unlocking really start from the 3rd of June. That's day after tomorrow. But Mumbai is facing a bigger challenge, that of its health infrastructure, where the fault lines are now out in the open. The city is facing a serious shortage of ICU beds in particular, and in some areas even of oxygen cylinders and even ambulances. Our correspondent Mustafa Sheikh now, along with Saurabh, has this exclusive report.
India's financial hub, Mumbai, is the biggest COVID hot zone in the country. With cases rising daily at an alarming rate, fault lines in Mumbai's health infrastructure are out in the open. Mumbai has 645 ICU beds, out of which 99% are occupied. Out of 4,292 beds with oxygen support, 65% are occupied. 72% ventilators in the city too are occupied. Even ambulances have become scarce as many who drive them have left or are senior citizens. The remaining are having a hard time to find a hospital with beds available to drop off patients.
When we transfer patient from one hospital to another hospital, we do not have confirmation of bed at that particular hospital. This consumes the time. It takes near about 6 to 7 hours to handle a single patient.
Shortage of ICU beds, oxygen cylinders and ambulances is making Mumbaikars find new ways to help themselves.
We got some idea from our local doctors to get some oxygen cylinders. When they are waiting for the bed, for their turn to come or for their report to come, they can get the prescription from the local doctor and they can take oxygen help in the home only.
On 25th of May, a 50-year-old watchman in Nagpada who suffered from diabetes showed symptoms like breathlessness. An apartment resident noticed his condition and posted in an NGO's WhatsApp group. The watchman was provided oxygen and later admitted in JJ Hospital. He tested positive for COVID.
Cylinder was the first aid actually. Immediately हम लोगों को जो cylinder मिला, उससे मैं बता रहा हूँ वो patients जो थे, he was being stable. अगर हमको cylinder नहीं मिलता था, तो definitely some things would have been very different.
Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray, in his address on Sunday, accepted the deficiency of healthcare machinery.
बेड्स किती होते? बेड्स साधारणतः 400च्या आसपास होते आयसोलेशन. ते आता 2.5 लाखाच्या वर महाराष्ट्रामध्ये झालेले आहेत. महाराष्ट्रात 2.5 लाखाच्या वर. त्याच्यामध्ये साधारणतः 25,000 बेड्स हे ऑक्सिजनची सुविधा देऊ शकतील असे आहेत.
On one hand, Maharashtra government is trying to increase the ICU beds in the state. Citizens are coming together, helping with oxygen cylinders. But if the cases continuously keep rising, the city of Mumbai will be in ICU. With camera person Mangesh and Samir, Saurabh Bakhtania and Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.